Okay, today I will tell you the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients of a polynomial. As you already studied about the coefficients in your ninth class, let me take an example. Suppose I have a polynomial x square minus 2x minus 8. Now you tell me what is the degree of this polynomial. The degree is 2. And if the degree is 2, how many zeros it can have? At the most 2. Right? So how will get that zeros? By putting this polynomial equals to 0. This we all discussed yesterday, right? So if I'm putting this polynomial equals to 0, now how can I get the zeros here? Because it is a quadratic polynomial, I have to make the factors here, and factors you all know by factorization method, that means middle term splitting method. And in 8th class and 9th class you have done it so many times. So I want to get the factors of minus 8. First of all, let me write the coefficient so that it will become more clear to you. Here the coefficient of x square, if we compare it with this general form of quadratic polynomial is ax square minus plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is the general form of quadratic polynomial, only this one, right? If I'm putting it equal to 0, at that time it will become an equation. But now it is a quadratic polynomial. So if I compare this for a time, if I compare these two, so what will be the value of a? You have to tell me fast. What is the value of a? 1. B minus 2. Don't forget about the sign, minus 2. And C minus 8. Now I want to get the zeros of this polynomial, so I just put it equal to 0. And in factorization method, what you used to do, you have to multiply these two coefficients, a into c. That means 1 into minus 8. The product will be minus 8, and you have to make the two factors of minus 8 so that the sum or the difference will equals to minus 2. So what will be the factors of minus 8 here? Minus 4 and minus 2. It should be minus 4 and plus 2. Just check out the product. Minus 4 into 2, minus 8, and minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. So if you are not clear with this, you just have to think about the method which you have already done in your 9th class. I just want to factorize this polynomial. So in spite of writing 2, I have to write here x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. I have done the factors of minus 8 and have written here. So take common from these two. What I get here? X common, x minus 4 plus 2 common, x minus 4, and now the factors are x plus 2, x minus 4, and now I will get the zeros from here. And what will be the zeros? X equals to minus 2 and x equals to 4. So these two are the zeros of polynomial.